Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you two options on how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, with the first option, just go ahead over to your profile right here, tap on it, and then what you'll do is just go ahead and scroll all the way down and find story and location. Tap on it. Now, what you'll do is just go ahead and tap on hide story from, and then select all of your followers, then hit on done. And what you'll do is go ahead and add in your story. For example, this one right here. I'm going to tap on it. So when you tap on the more section and share, okay, basically it will be private, okay? Tap on add to highlights and no one will see your story, okay? But it will be in your highlights section. Now, the second option right here, let's say you don't want to manually hide your story from your friends. Okay, you can just go ahead and tap on new right here under your profile. Okay, tap on new besides at the highlight section. Now go ahead and select one from your stories right here. Okay, and it will be added as a highlight. Now the other option, or as a bonus, so tap on the plus sign, take a snap and share it, add to highlights, plus sign, give it a name, add, done. And after that, just wait for the story to upload. Tap on it. Tap on three dots right here at the bottom right. Now archive it. Okay. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go back, swipe down, refresh the page, open up your stories. Now delete it right here. Okay. More, delete, delete. There you have it. Now go back to your profile, like so, swipe down, add new, go ahead and find the recently archived photo, tap on it, tap on next, game on, just for example, hit on done. Not now, swipe down, wait for it to load, and once it loads, it should be here right now. There you have it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.